My name is Karna. I power innovation to move our world. Here's my family. Many generations pictured together. This foundation is where it all begins for me. When I think of the people at Dana, I think of the culture we have created, how we value others by embracing diversity, equity, and inclusion, how we inspire innovation by reimagining what's possible, operating with a relentless focus on innovation, safety, quality, and customer success, how we grow responsibly, advancing a safer, more sustainable future. It's a balanced approach that considers the people we encounter, the products we develop, and the planet that allows us to do our work, and ultimately how we win together, pursuing excellence and encouraging unique perspectives. These values, together with our company theme, People Finding a Better Way, underpin everything we do. A better world built on strong foundations.